Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our amazing content. Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about the Ninja AF101 air fryer. This incredible kitchen gadget is a game changer when it comes to guilt-free cooking. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can finally enjoy your favorite foods without feeling guilty. The wide temperature range of 105F400F gives you the flexibility to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp them with convection heat. And with its 4-quart capacity, you can easily whip up a family-sized meal with ease. The Ninja AF101 air fryer is not just a one-trick pony. Its 4-in-1 versatility allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you endless options for quick, easy, and delicious meals. You can even create homemade snacks with the dehydrate function, making this air fryer a must-have for any kitchen. And when it comes to cleanup, you'll love how easy it is. The dishwasher-safe parts make it a breeze to clean, and the high-gloss finish in gray is sure to elevate the look of your kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Ninja AF101 air fryer and start enjoying guilt-free, delicious meals today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you go. See you next time.